today we are going to our plot in Aluva, seeing how the plants are doing, and yeah, so then we'll be planting a few more saplings today, and we'll also water those saplings and then come back. So let's go. Now we have come to this restaurant, Konkani restaurant. So we're waiting for food. Papa is already eating some dosha. We're waiting for masala dosha, me and Swati. Swati's masala dosha is here. Here they serve you food on a banana leaf, and then after you eat, you'll have to throw it. Nice system. So this is the restaurant, and it's amazing, amazing food. So let's go. Hi, Swati. There's a factory close by. So last time Appa came here, he got this tulsi base and this Ganpati. Now let's take a photo. Like this will be a thumbnail, okay? Our bucket fell inside. So let's go. We are done for today. Bye bye. Bye Ganpati.
tonight.